Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In this video, we are going to review two adjectives that you learned in class. We're going to review the Hindi words for excited and disappointed. Excited is utsahit. Now that's kind of a mouthful. Listen again. Utsahit. One more time. Utsahit. And disappointed is nirash. Nirash. That one's easier. Let's do them again. Excited, utsahit. Disappointed, nirash. Let's do some practice problems. The sea turtle is so excited to read new books. What's excited? Utsahit or nirash? Utsahit. The hathi is so excited to be splashing around in the pond. What was excited again? Utsahit or nirash? Utsahit. The sloth is disappointed that he lost the race. What's disappointed? Utsahit or nirash? Nirash. And the giraffe is so excited that his show is sold out. What's excited again? Utsahit or nirash? Utsahit. The monkey's disappointed he missed the movie. What was disappointed? Utsahit or nirash? Nirash. The monkey's disappointed because the robot told him that he can't go to outer space until his bandages come off. What's disappointed? Utsahit or nirash? Nirash. And the axolotl is so excited because he can make new friends in the coral reef. What is excited? Utsahit or nirash? Utsahit. And the unicorn is sad because it was time to leave Candyland. What is disappointed? Utsahit or nirash? Nirash. And Mr. Sher is so happy and excited because his friends came to visit him. What is excited? Utsahit or nirash? Utsahit. And he is really disappointed because he got a bad grade. What's disappointed again? Utsahit or nirash? Nirash. All right, great work on that. Now it's time to take the words away and test your memory to see if you remember these words without seeing them. Sea turtle is very excited to read new books. What's excited in Hindi? Utsahit. And hathi is excited to splash around in the pond. One more time, what's excited? Utsahit. And sloth is disappointed because he lost the race. What's disappointed? Nirash. And Mr. Giraffe is super excited because his show is sold out. What's excited again? Utsahit. And Bandar is disappointed because he missed the movie. What's disappointed? Nirash. And this Bandar is disappointed because he can't go to outer space until he's all healed. What was disappointed one more time? Nirash. So Bandar nirash hai. The Bandar is disappointed. Bandar nirash hai. This axolotl is excited to make new friends in the coral reef. What's excited in Hindi? Utsahit. So axolotl utsahit hai. Axolotl utsahit hai. And the unicorn is disappointed because it's time to leave Candyland. What's disappointed in Hindi? Nirash. Unicorn nirash hai. And Sher Baba is super excited because his friends came to visit him. What's excited again? Utsahit. Sher utsahit hai. And this boy is really disappointed because he got a very bad grade. What was disappointed again? Nirash. So we say ladka nirash hai. The boy is disappointed. Ladka nirash hai. Let's review these adjectives one more time. Excited is utsahit. And disappointed is nirash. Great work. Now you know 2 more adjectives in Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.